So someone said, please do a Dajaki squishy. So I already have a Dajaki squishy, but let's see. Let me go turn this off. Wait. This is all of my squishies. There's all my squishies. And this is my Dajaki squishy. We have a red one and a blue one on the other side. But they said that they want the Dajaki squishy. So I'm just gonna copy like this one. This really relieves all of my stress. I have this rose one and the I love you squishy at the beginning. And this card squishy and another card squishy. But this time it's purple. So I'm so sorry about that pause. I just had to go to the bathroom. So I will do a Dajaki squishy. Like this. So we can play like this. Then the other squishy will do this. And if this blue one turns to this, then that means we win. So I'm gonna go make. Gonna go get the paper. Let me go get this. So I will need my paper. And I'm also gonna need cotton, but not for now. Then a sketch tape. I need this. There's only I don't know how to draw yet. That's why I'm doing this. And wait, I forgot my acrylic mark. This is my acrylic marker. I don't know, that always happens to me. So I'm gonna pause it a little bit. So there we go. I'm all done. Got my acrylic marker done. Ano na? It's 60. I put some scotch tape so it will not go and fall out again. I'm gonna go and get my paper. Put the squishies on this side first.